Hi guys, to start developing our Angular application, we're gonna need to set up some tools. First of all, go to node.js.org and install the latest version of Node.js. You can also choose the long-term support version if you want. After the installation, this will install Node.js and Node Package Manager. You can check if it's working by typing node-v, which will display the version of Node.js, and also check if Package Manager for Node.js is installed by typing npm-v, which will also display the version of Package Manager. After that, we're gonna install Angular CLI, which is a command line interface for Angular, which will be much easier to create our application. Just type npm install -g, which will install the client globally, Angular/CLI. After that, we can check if it works by typing ng-v, which will display the available commands. And last, we're gonna use Visual Studio Code as a code editor. It's a free code editing and code editor built by Microsoft. If you have all of that, you can go to Documents, and by using ng-new, which will create a new Angular project, you can create new Angular project. After the new, you type your project name. I'm gonna name my project Angular Basics. I'm gonna use SCSS because I'm used to that. You can choose different type of styling. So this is the place where our project is created, and right now all the packages are downloaded. Open the Visual Studio Code and open the folder with your project. We're gonna wait a few minutes to see if all the dependencies are installed, and there we're gonna run our project. After everything is installed, you can go back to Visual Studio Code, choose New Terminal, and type ngserve, which will compile our application and serve it on Node.js server on localhost on port 4200. After it is compiled, you can see that the application is available on this address. Let's open it. And you can see that it is built Angular application.